Hi, I'm Mark, President of the Nevada Northern Railway here in Ely, Nevada, and I'd like to welcome you to this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. You know, everyone knows preserving the steam locomotives is very important, but it's actually the story of the people. During the day, these guys would work 16-hour days, didn't take a break for lunch or dinner. So what they did is they actually cooked on the locomotive. So what we're going to do is recreate different recipes that they would have used during the days, and we've also thrown in a couple of modern twists. So sit back, relax, enjoy this episode of Iron Horse Cookery.
Welcome back, guys. This evening in caboose number 3, we're going to make some peach cobbler as a dessert for tonight. And so what I got here is 2 cans of peaches, and we're just going to pour them in the bottom of this Dutch oven here. Just like that. And then we're going to pour a cake mix over the top. Make sure that's spread around real good. And then we're going to season the top of it. If you'd like to know what this all is, or you'd like the recipe, remember you can get this in the Nevada Northern Railway Iron Horse Cookery Cookbook. You can find that in the gift store here in Ely, Nevada, or you can order it online. So I'm just going to spread this all around in here. And then we lid it up, and we bake it for about 20 or 30 minutes.
This is engine number 40. She was the glamour girl of the Nevada Northern Railway. The old-timers used to say that she could go from Cobbler all the way down to Ely with a passenger train, and sometimes in excess of 100 miles an hour. Well, we don't go that fast these days. But for many, many years, engine number 40 and her teammates were the cat's meow of the Nevada Northern Railway. And you know what? We still are.
Alright guys, our cobbler here has been cooking for, probably about a half an hour or so, and you just really want to make sure that it's, fully cooked, but this is kind of what it looks like. Ooh, it smells good, but there you go. You got peach cobbler done on a potbelly stove in caboose number 3 at the Nevada Northern Railway. Good.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. The cookbook is available in our gift shop or online at NNRy.com. Check it out, have fun, and by all means come visit us at the Nevada Northern Railway right here in Ely, Nevada.